If you've always wanted to make your own manga, but you think your drawing skills aren't good enough, then keep watching. Look at this artwork and be honest. Do you think someone who draws like this can ever get published? Actually, this was made by one sensei, the mangaka behind One Punch Man and Mob Psycho. Just like you, he used to be embarrassed of his art, but now he's one of the most famous mangakas in the world. So, if you've been telling yourself,
"My art isn't good enough yet to make manga,"
you might be lying to yourself. We've helped over 400 beginner mangakas bring their ideas to life with a proven strategy that we've built together with our pro manga editor and Japanese mangaka mentors with over 50 years of combined experience. In this video, we'll show you why you don't need pro-level art to start, the 3 ingredients our students use to go from 0 to a 16-page one-shot, and the real cost of waiting to make your manga. Think about the last manga that really made an impression on you. Like, you couldn't stop thinking about it even long after you finished it. Which part left that impression? Was it the artwork or the story? For most people, it's the story that truly moves them. And yet, when we meet aspiring mangakas, so many of them obsess over perfecting their art skills instead. We get it. When you read manga like this all the time, you fall into the trap of thinking you can't even call yourself a mangaka if your art's not on the same level. But according to our pro manga editor Vivi, who's worked with big publishers like Comics and Kadokawa,
art usually stands out the most. So if the art is good, there is potential as an artist. However, manga sells stories, not art. So the priority should be an interesting story or protagonist.
Rena Saya, our pro-Japanese mangaka mentor, also said,
"Manga can be successful when it has very interesting story, not the illustration. The opposite one is not so successful."
Think of Ranking of Kings, Mob Psycho 100, or even Attack on Titan. None of them started with god-tier polished art. But what they did have was a clear, interesting protagonist that readers could root for, a strong core idea, and simple panels that you could easily follow. So, if you're overthinking your art, then you're probably focused on the wrong thing. If you've wanted to make manga for years, but still don't have anything to show, then your next step is to apply for a free one-on-one manga roadmap call with us. On that call, we'll look at where you're at right now, your pages, your ideas, or even just your concept. Pinpoint the number one thing holding you back and map out a clear 60 to 90-day plan to move you toward a contest-ready one-shot manga. If it makes sense to work together, we'll invite you to join our online one-shot manga drawing program and show you how we work with pro-Japanese mangakas and a pro-manga editor in our weekly live Zoom sessions. If it's not a good fit, you'll still leave with the plan. We only open a limited number of manga roadmap call slots each week so we can actually look at your work in detail. If you want one of those spots, just click the link in the description or go to learntodrawmanga.com to apply for your free one-on-one manga roadmap call. Now, I want you to meet our student Majida. When she joined, she had very basic drawing skills and 0 manga experience. No fancy tools, no formal training, just pen, paper, and a dream to make manga. A year later, she's already working on her very first 16-page one-shot. So, what got her from this to this? After analyzing hundreds of students, we noticed that it wasn't talent or being good at art that made the biggest difference. It was these 3 factors: mindset, consistency, and the right push. One of the things that made Majida stand out even as a beginner was her mindset. She wasn't a perfectionist. She wasn't afraid to share her work, or make mistakes, or try different techniques that she'd never done before. Instead of thinking,
"I'm not good enough yet,"
she treated everything as a challenge.
"I'll try it, get feedback, and get better on the next page."
That mindset is what lets beginners move fast while everyone else is still stuck rewriting their first chapter. Next, Majida also practiced consistently. She's a full-time college student, but she still showed up every week with new sketches, thumbnails, and even pages. Some weeks she could do more, some weeks she had to slow down, but the most important thing, she kept going. It sounds so easy, but it's actually one of the hardest parts. Most people get impatient, frustrated, distracted, or even discouraged. They don't want to keep practicing the same basic drills. They want to get to the most exciting part right away. They also feel like they need their lives to be in a perfect place before they can commit. But for Majida, no matter what happened, she made time for her manga. Over months, you could literally see her illustration and paneling skills level up. It wasn't one magical drawing session, it was dozens of
I'm tired, but I'll draw anyway
sessions. Remember, manga is a marathon, not a sprint. The last piece was the right push. Majida didn't try to figure everything out alone on YouTube. When she first joined our program, our team laid out a training arc for her. She followed a clear path for someone at her level. She started with her fundamentals, then tried out Yonkoma, 2-page manga, then a 16-page one-shot. For her one-shot, we helped her write a simple manga pitch, outline her ki sho ten ketsu, her introduction, development, twist, and conclusion, break her scenes into a beat sheet, and turn that into a storyboard before she could even worry about inking and shading. She got feedback every step of the way so she could avoid the big mistakes before they even happened. One of the most common things we hear from beginners is the overwhelm they feel because they don't know where to start or what to do to actually keep moving forward. If you feel lost, then here's advice from our pro-Japanese mangaka mentor, Nao Yazawa. She's had over 30 years of experience in the industry.
Pick one specific skill first and keep going until you've mastered it. Learn one skill at a time. That's how you realistically improve.
Let me ask you something. How long have you been thinking about making manga? Our student Coco spent 15 years just thinking about it because she never felt like it was possible. But when she found our channel, she realized there was a place for non-Japanese aspiring mangakas to chase that dream too. And after 2.5 months in our program, she published her first one-shot in our official manga anthology. No more wishing her art skills were better, no more waiting until she finally felt ready. She just started. Now, imagine if she'd started earlier. How many one-shots would she have already made? Would she have won a manga contest by now? That's the cost of waiting. You don't just lose time, you lose all the stories and experiences you could have made. So, if you're hesitating right now, or you want to quit because it's too hard, here's some advice from our mentor, Steph Pastrano, who went from fan artist to pro webcomic artist.
Don't quit just because your work isn't good yet. That frustrating gap between what you imagine and what you can draw is normal. Finish your comics. Keep drawing even when it feels pointless.
Ultimately, the only thing standing between you and a finished manga isn't your art skills. It's not your schedule, your tools, or how ready you feel. It's one decision. Whether you take action today or look back on this moment 5 years from now and wonder why you didn't even try. Coco and Majida made their decisions. They weren't ready either, but they started anyway. Now, it's your turn. What do you want to do? If you've wanted to make manga for years, but still don't have a finished one-shot, your next step is to apply for a free one-on-one manga roadmap call. We'll look at your idea or pages and map out a clear 60 to 90-day plan to finish a 16 to 24-page contest-ready one-shot. We only open a few spots each week, so if you want one, click the link in the description or go to learntodrawmanga.com, apply, and pick a time for your call. And if you want a complete guide to making your first one-shot this year, watch this video.